Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your assessment results inside Indeed on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to head on over to Indeed.com. And now from here I'm going to make sure to sign in. So I'm going to click on sign in. I'm going to continue with Google. I'm going to select my account here. And now once you've logged in, you want to click onto your profile icon. Well, let's go back to Indeed. Not sure why it sent me there. Indeed.com. Alright, so now I'm on the home page of Indeed, and now I'm going to click onto my profile icon and click onto profile. Now wait for this to load. And now if we scroll down, I don't have it on here because I don't have any assessments, but it will have assessment, and then click on the view all assessments to access your assessment results inside there.